Okay, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush and use the shade Boundaries out of that Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. And I'm going to put that everywhere. We're going to get into this Juvia's Place palette. So, I don't know where I'm going with this look, but we're going to wing it. Okay. So, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with this, the lightest purple shade right here. And I'm going to put that on my crease. This darkest shade here, and it's going to go right on the outer corner. What's wrong with you? You sound sick.
I ain't sick.
So I brought that to the outer corner and I'm bringing it up towards that tail of the brow. And I'm not going to go all the way over, just to the middle. That transition color that you used at the beginning, whatever's left on that brush, just buff that into there. So I'm probably going to end up doing a halo eye. So I'm going to, I need a pencil brush, smaller brush. Get a smaller brush and go back into that darker purple. And just on the lid only, bring it down. Because you don't want to go here, because that's part of the area where you have the darker circles, because that's just going to make the darker circles more darker. So I'm just going to come right on the inside here. Leave this whole space right here open, where you're going to put in your, I'm going to put in a shimmery color. Okay, so finished both eyes. Now I'm going to go in with, I'm going to do this purple shade. It's shimmery, and I'm going to put that in the center. Take that small brush again and dip it into that darker purple again, and I'm going to drag that all right. Now for liner, I'm gonna go in with my, let's see, what's a good one? I need a black one. I can't find my good liner. Yes, I'm gonna go in with my my NYX matte liquid liner, and it's a matte one, so this is my favorite. And I'm gonna wing it out. We're gonna go with it. Okay. This shade right here and try to put that into the corner of my eye. I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye, okay? I'm gonna go with this one. This is Tattoo, the regular liquid lipstick. Oh, okay. I am not mad. Okay, this is the finished product. Took my headband off. A girl is in need of a haircut, but I'm not gonna go that far. I mean, I did trim my bangs so I can see, but it still needs to be cut. I'm gonna add this metallic into Tattoo. I do like this color though. It looks nice. Okay, now that looks good. I like that. The bowl cut is in effect, you know, because I did some of my own cutting. I chopped these up a little bit, not up, but off, cut them down because they were really long, and I did like them, but it was making everything else not look uniformed. And you know how I like my haircut to look uniform. But this is the finished product. All I did was take my headband off, and yeah. I mean, I thought it turned out good. I like that this palette. This is the Violets palette, and it is beautiful. I would have never thought of using violets because I don't usually go out of my comfort zone of wearing neutral golds, browns. But I'm trying. I'm getting better.